People are going to start to turn down a one-way street on Cruzon because they don't want to be stuck forever. All you got to do is make it a two-way street. It's big enough. Somebody's going to reverse down the block backwards, most likely. I don't know why. This happens every day, and there's so much honking on a regular basis. Look at all the cars that are going to start to go down that block. Because otherwise they're stuck. This is about 3 blocks of a one-way street. Look at all the cars that are going to turn. Every day. The honking here is insane. Look. People are doing it anyway. Why not make it legal and easier? It'll lower the noise pollution. Look, you see Cruzon Road, 118th Street,